Yo, what's up guys, my name is Erykah, and into this video I'll be breaking down how to make an air soul sample. So for this sample I started with the piano, and this is how the piano sounds like. So the piano is from a stock plugin from FL Studio, and this is the pattern. It's just a simple minor and major chord progression. And yeah. And then after that I added an electric piano that follows the same chords, and this is how it sounds like. And after that I felt like the sample needed a little bit of texture that will add movement to the sample, so I added this bed texture, and this is how it sounds like. And from that bread texture I decided to add percussions to give it more rhythm and repetition, and so this is how it sounds like. So with all that done to the sample, I felt like it needed more elements in it, but instead of putting like pads and a lot of unnecessary things, I added a bass, and this is how the bass sounds like. So after the bass I added accents that are accenting the end of the chords, and this is how it sounds like. And then after the accents I added a brass and a pizzicato from Expand, and this is how it sounds like. So after the brass I added a synth from Search VST, a preset is called Pad 8, and this is also adding much more elements to the to the sample, so that the sample becomes full and live. So this is how it sounds like. So after that, I added a harp from X-Band, because I felt like all the sounds were, how can I put it, like paddish. So instead of going for more sounds that filled the whole full scale of the frequency spectrum, I decided to add plugs, and the harp was good for the sample, and this is how it sounds like. I then added more strings so that the sample becomes much more alive. I added a brass from Sonatina VST. I then added a saxophone from Sax Lab VST. I then added a violin also from Sonatina VST. And all three are playing harmonies for the first brass that you heard, and this is how it sounds like. And so for the second part of the sample, instead of playing the piano over and over and over again, I played the same chords that the piano was playing, but I used an organ from Before 2. That's the name of the plugin. It's Before 2. So this is how the organ sounds like. So after that, let me just show you the processing.